Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we will be checking out how to install any theme at all in Windows 10. I'm not sure about Windows 11, but then I suggest you try it out. It won't hurt your system or anything like that. Plus, we will be creating a restore point if in case anything goes wrong. So don't worry guys. So, if you watched my video about how to install the Fluent icon theme, you could see that I got almost 600 views and I was surprised, mega surprised. I never thought that I would reach 600 views in that video. For me that video was kind of cringy, but then not that cringy. But you should go into the description and check it out, okay? And you can get icons like this instead of being like default crappy icons. You can have the better icons. Like as you can see, the icons look more beautiful, and the Perkelian theme looks even better with these icons. So I suggest go install it, but it's your choice completely, guys. Your choice. The icon installation is a bit more like, how do I say, harder, kind of. A bit more harder, and it's a bit more harder. So if you want to go check it out, you can go check my video for instructions, and I will be making like an addition, like an updated video for Windows 11. Don't worry guys. So let's get on with it. So if you saw my last video, I downloaded Fluent icon theme, and with that there was Perkelian theme too. And you want to go into the first link in the description and download UX Theme Patcher. You want to click on this button, not this button, this right here. You want to click on it. After it appears in your downloads, if you're using Chrome, it will appear here. If you're using Edge, it will appear here. I mean, if you're using Edge also, it will appear here. The Firefox will appear here. So after that, you want to close this. You want to close that tab immediately. Open this. What you will see is this. After you download it, you will see this. So you want to open it up. And keep that right here for now. Keep that right here for now. So after that, here comes an important part. You want to click on download free button. It'll be spawning right here. Like I'll take you out to the page. You want to scroll down. You want to click on not this button. As you can see, it's ads. You have to go to download free button, but you have to wait. But you have to move your cursor to speed up the timer. I know it's weird, but then definitely works, guys. Don't worry. Just move your cursor and speed up the timer. It's manual labor. It's labor.
Choose your fighter.
Why are you making me do work? After that, you should see a file going into your downloads. After you do that, let's see if it's downloaded. Okay, you want to keep that installer on the open, okay? You can close this. You can close this tab right here. This is the third link in the description. Just keep that in mind. Okay, and the tab we just opened before to download, just go to the second link in the description and you'll find it. You can try a different way using DeviantArt. It didn't work for me, so I'm gonna be using that website, which is here, right here. I used VS Themes for DeviantArt didn't work. So I'll be giving DeviantArt 2 in the bottom in the description, link in the description, and DeviantArt will be right below it. You can try both the links, and whichever works for you, you can use them. So after you're done with that, you can close the second link in the description. You can close it. I have kept the third link in the description open on the ready. Just keep it open, okay guys? Okay, after that you want to click on show in folder, and after you download this from this second link in the description, you want to click on here and you want to click on extract here. After you do that, you want to click on Procalion. You want to go to themes. You want to go to theme. And here's what I'm talking about. I'm not sure whatever this is, but
Choose your fighter.
it is the scale. I think it's a scale. So whatever scale you have, you want to pick that. I have 100 and that's my recommended, so I'm going to go here. So after that, just want to keep like this. These files are the most important files, okay? Keep that in mind. You want to copy this directory, you want to copy it, okay? Okay, now keep in mind where that file is, okay? You want to keep in mind where that files are. After that, you want to go back to the setup we kept open and you want to click on next. I accept the terms of licensing agreement. And you do not want to mind this. It might not damage your system because we have created a restore point, guys. So if there's anything wrong, you can use the restore point to go back. It's a very simple process, guys, don't worry. After you do that, it'll ask you to reboot. So I'll be back after rebooting. So guys, after rebooting, all you want to do is go back to the files I said that were important. So you want to go to downloads. You want to go to this RAR here. Remember, we downloaded this RAR and we extracted this folder out of it. And you want to go to the place where we found these important files. By the way, as I said, these depend on your skill. So you want to go here. I have 100 skill, so I'm going to take this. I'm going to copy it. After that, you're almost done. You're so close, guys. You're so close. You want to go to your C drive, and then you want to go to your Windows, and then you want to go and find the resources. The resources themes. And I will put this file location in the description also. So instead of just going and locating, you just paste it here and then go. So here, you paste it. Paste it right here. And you're almost done. After you do that, you're so close to finishing. You just want to go to personalize, settings. You want to go to themes. You want to go down, and you can click any of these two. I'm going to click Italian, cool, and if I wait for a second, it should work. So let me just refresh, and as you can see, guys, I now have the Italian theme installed. So thank you guys for watching, but there is one more step. If you want to remove this ugly bar, here's one thing you can do. You can go to the third link in the description, which I'll show you right now. You can go to the third link in the description and you can download All New Explorer. Right here, it should be written like this. It will be open up in this page. So you have to click on download now, and you just have to wait. And okay, after it's downloaded, you can close it, and yeah, it should be it. So after that, you want to show in folder, and you want to click this right here, and here, and you want to click on CLT.exe, and you want to click on install. You can remove it anytime, and after that you just want to click on here, click on here, open it up again. The icons will disappear when you use All New Explorer, but I'm not going to be using it because it just looks more efficient without it, so I'm going to just uninstall it. To make it go back to normal, you want to go to Task Manager right here. You want to go down, all the way down, and you want to on Explorer and you want to click on Restart. I'll just pause the recording and then restart. So after you reset your Windows Explorer from the Task Manager, it will get your icons back. And all new Explorer makes some changes to the Explorer that makes it look kinda ugly. So I'm not really a fan of it, and I suggest you don't use it, but then it is kinda cool. Remove other ugly stuffs. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see the installation, stay tuned right here. So if you want to uninstall it, all you have to do is first, you want to go to your settings back. After you go to your settings, you want to go to Windows. You want to click on it and just wait. It will work and your Explorer will probably crash. You just want to wait, and after it works, it'll like reset. Okay, it will reset, and then you'll have the normal theme back again. So if I open up, I'll have the normal theme. So to completely get rid of it, you want to go back to themes folder. So you want to go back to the themes folder and you want to delete the Perkele theme. After you delete it, delete and close. Okay, you want to go to control panel. You want to go to uninstall program, and you want to scroll down and you want to uninstall TX theme patcher. Uninstall.
Choose your fighter.
So after you uninstall, you have to reboot once again. So I'll be back after rebooting. So after rebooting, after the uninstallation and rebooting, you will see that there is no trace of anything at all. So everything is gone now. Everything, every theme, everything is gone. So we have uninstalled theme successfully. So if you want to uninstall, follow the process I showed you. So anyway, thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you like it, and I will make an updated version for Windows 11, but I suggest you try it in Windows 11 too, so it might work. And if things don't work out well, you can go back to create a restore point. You want to click on that, and you can click on system restore. It'll open up this. As you can see, I created the system restore operation, and you can just click on next, and then it will automatically restore your system files and settings if something went wrong. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video, and make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below if you faced any problems. I'll come and help you. And all the 4 links will be in the description, and also the file directory in case you want to know. So peace out.